You can make noise. It's okay.
I just didn't want to make
We're cooking in the kitchen today, which is good because, you know, you don't want to cook in the bedroom because that could cause a problem.
No, it's good to cook in the bedroom.
Hey. Crazy girl. Anywho, I am making a, look at my hair. It's like, looks like I have almost a
Swirly. No,
mohawk going on. Well, I sleep on this side, okay? And
It's
I can't get it. Yeah, I need to get it. I need to get it cut again. It's getting way out of hand. Anywho, I decided to make dinner tonight, and what I did is I got a pack of Great Northern beans. You can use navy beans if you want. And then, you guys know, I like to slow cook my beans, for like 3-4 hours on simmer. And I thought, I'm not going to show them that again because I've done that once. So what I did was I got my Great Northern beans. How much were these? Were these like $1.50, something like that? Okay. Anywho, got the beans, poured water over them, added a little seasoned salt, and that not much because you don't need it because of what we're going to add. So I'll show you what I have right now. Okay, hold on. Come on, focus. Yeah, there you go. Beans, they're nice and tender already, which is surprising because they weren't the last time. I had to cook the crap out of them. Anyway, you add, not everyone can afford to buy fresh chicken. So what you do is go buy a can or two of the canned chicken from Wally World or whatever. And, big chunk of chicken right there. Now, the thing I'm going to do is put chunky salsa in there. And I name this white chicken chili, okay? About a half a jar right there. Ooh, it smells so good. Stir it up a little bit. Okay. My right hand's better than my left hand. It's holding some. And that will give your onions and your green pepper and a little zip to your doodah. And let that simmer a little bit. Let it get hot. And bam, you got white chicken chili. And you can always adjust the amount of this you want to, whatever, how, whatever amount of salsa you want. You could dump the whole daggone thing in there. You can have mild, medium, or hot, depending on what, hold on. Okay. You can make a little or as much as you want on this, and actually you can go to the store and buy a jar of Great Northern beans already cooked. And if you wanted to do that, I mean, if you're like just one person or maybe two, you could buy a jar of that, get you a little small can of chicken and some salsa, and you'd have meal for a couple bucks, okay? It's just something I have gotten used to do, is saving money. Man, oh, that looks so good. Saw the green in there, peppers and everything. It's so good. And then I'm going to make some Jiffy Mix to go with it. And that's our dinner for tonight. And I'm really happy about it. So anyway, hold on, I gotta have a taste tester. Hold on. Okay, we're having Jean taste test it. The tension.
I think I'll need a bigger bowl.
Well,
That's
he
good
likes
stuff.
it. He
That's
likes
good
it.
stuff.
Woo!
It
I'm
is
so
good stuff.
happy. I'm so happy. So anyway, that's another cheap meal that you can do. And there's different ways. Like if you have dried beans in your storage camp, whatever, closet, you can do the slow cook thing. Yeah. So anyway, and I think this will probably be worth like what,
Oh, easy.
2 meals?
Yeah, easy.
Okay. So anyway, that's it for today, guys. So take it easy. Take a long way home.